Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically zoom in to your videos in CapCut PC. So for instance, I want to zoom in on, trying to find a video on this video. So you can use video effects for this. You can go to the effects section here and you can type in zoom. This is the first way to do it. You can either select zoom lens and do that, but adjust the speed, make it slower. And also I'm just going to change the range here as well because I don't want it too zoomed in like that. Actually, I'll use another video. I'm just gonna use this one, sorry. You can use this video effect so it's easier. Like, just slide it to the left to make it slower. You can either use this or you can use keyframes. So add a keyframe here, then add another one like right about here, then zoom it in where you want it, maybe like here. Then to zoom out, add a keyframe here. And then here I'm just going to double click on the scale and position. If you want it to be a little bit smoother, just make sure it's not too close or else the zoom will be super fast. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!